Hey guys, Scott from Flip Customize, and today we want to talk to you about taillight removal. If you got to get in here and change bulbs or whatever you got to do on the late model Dodge Rams. This one happens to the new body style. This one happens to be a 2019 Dodge Ram. There's a few differences than a lot of standard taillights. Let me show you. All right, guys, we're going to jump right into it because this doesn't need to be a long drawn-out video. Now, on a lot of taillights, you just have a couple of screws here. On this one, you do as well. They're a T25 Torx bit. Those got to come out. But in addition to that, you also have two plastic panel retaining clips, and one is behind the tailgate strap. So depending on what side you're working, you're going to remove the strap. So I just take a little weight off this tailgate here. The other side is still connected, so it can bear the weight of the tailgate. Come on down nice and easy like that. See there? And then you have full access to the clips and the Torx. So you go ahead and basically on the clips themselves. So we're getting into the panel tools. Just you can get these are just cheap plastic panel tools because you want to be careful and not mar up the paint of the vehicle or anything like that. And basically how these work is let me hold the camera straight here, not getting away. There's a center section here. See if I can get this under here with one hand. Pop that center section out. See that there? And you can use whatever type of tool you want. And then sometimes the center section will come all the way out, and then you got to pry the bottom section out separate. It's pretty standard. You know, the center comes out, and it allows it to get smaller there and pull the clip out. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this top one out. Then I'm going to jump into the T25 Torx bits. Two of these. They shouldn't be overly tight. Take those out as well, and I'll show you the taillight. All right, with all our fasteners out, the taillight basically comes straight out of the truck itself. And I believe this weather strip stays right here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the taillight with this one hand, and it comes straight out like this. And you have full access to your gate lower and assist. What we're going to be doing oil undercoating today, so we have full access to where we need to get into to do oil undercoating. There is a red retaining clip. If you want to take the assembly right out of the truck, you got to pull that retaining clip straight back, then push that little black tab in after you remove that retaining clip. That would get you the taillight assembly right sitting on your lap, wherever you want to work that taillight assembly. We're going to swing it out of the way here because we just need to get in here with access for oil undercoating. And as far as installation goes, pretty much reverse order. Taillight, you got to make sure your connector is connected. Taillight goes straight in. You have your two clips and your two T25 Torx bits. That gets you back in action. All good to go if you're changing the bulb. It's pretty straightforward, but I wanted to make a quick video because it's not just fasteners, it's clips too. And I've seen people try to pry these things out of here, taking the screws out, and break stuff, break clips, break their taillight housings. Not good. So I just want to make a quick video. Scott Flip and Customize. Thanks for watching, guys.